Funny how it happens, you never really know. One day you're walking by yourself, the next you've got somewhere to go. A fiery little redhead, a spark that lights the room, and a guy who's known for stirring things and making everybody laugh too soon. Nobody could have planned it, nobody could have drawn the map, but somehow two different roads found the same old patch of grass. And we're all standing here smiling, watching something start, hoping what begins today turns into something strong. Two birds, one sky, learning how to fly, taking on tomorrow with the whole world passing by. Two hearts, one chance, one story, one dance. Maybe it's forever, maybe it's just the start, but we're all cheering for you every step you take. Two birds, one sky, finding their own way. Harper's got that fire, that sunshine and that flame, the kind that keeps life interesting and never plays a simple game. Ethan's got a good heart, steady when it counts, the kind of friend who shows up when everybody else checks out. They'll tease and they'll argue, they'll probably drive each other mad, but the best stories ever written usually start out just like that. And we're all standing here smiling, watching something start, hoping what begins today turns into something strong. Two birds, one sky, learning how to fly, taking on tomorrow with the whole world passing by. Two hearts, one chance, one story, one dance. Maybe it's forever, maybe it's just the start, but we're all cheering for you every step you take. Two birds, one sky, finding their own way. Life won't always be easy, love won't always be simple. Some days you'll need patience, some days you'll need grace, but if you keep choosing kindness and keep choosing each other, you'll have a better chance than most at building something great. Two birds, one sky, learning how to fly, taking on tomorrow with the whole world passing by. Two hearts, one chance, one story, one dance. Maybe it's forever, maybe it's just the start. And if years from now you're looking back someday, I hope you're still together, laughing all the way. Two birds, one sky, that's all love needs to be. A fiery girl, a faithful guy, and a little family cheering from the trees. Harper, Ethan, congratulations. We're proud of you both. Now go make some memories.